I'm Andrew Amuzu in Hobart, where during the peak of summer, I was in this exact location at Shining Stars Childcare and Education Center, where they emphasize outdoor learning. Well, on this bitterly cold day, they're bringing the great outdoors inside to stay safe from the dangers of sub-zero temps.
Deep breathing, look on the bright side, the kids are having fun, and that's all that matters.
Shining Stars Childcare and Education Center is rooted in outdoor learning. So Allie Smith's class is playing in the snow, indoors.
You kind of have to improvise and find more things to do to keep them occupied.
Director Megan Rohde says that's part of being a nature-driven center.
We often bring inside snow or, sticks, or we talk about hibernation. In the wintertime, it's a popular theme. Whatever we can do to give the kids a little something extra fun when they can't go outside.
The Wisconsin Department of Children and Families says childcare centers must keep kids 2 years and older indoors if the wind chill is below 0 degrees. The department says for children under 2, no outdoor play if the wind chill is 20 degrees or under. Dr. Kyle McCarty of St. Mary's Hospital in Green Bay says senior citizens and kids are most at risk in sub-zero temps.
The elderly people, their body's ability to regulate their own temperature is diminished. They will get colder than an average adult much faster. Small children will also drop their temperature faster than adults.
He says major health risks include hypothermia, severe frostbite, and injuries from slipping on ice. The Aging and Disability Resource Center in Green Bay says it has a variety of transportation options for people who still want to get around town safely. Back at Shining Stars Childcare, Megan says some kids still want to go outside.
If they open the door and they get blasted with cold air, they're like, oh, no, never mind. Don't want to do that. We're still going to have fun, and that's what it's still all about, is having fun for the kids and for our teachers too, while the snow lasts.
And even though all activity is restricted indoors, staff say that the best part about it all is that no matter where you are, nature follows you around, creating lasting memories. Now, it's time to go inside. In Hobart, Andrew Amuzu, NBC 26.